traffic? All right.
This car got hit, and they were coming.
Are you the driver of this car here?
At what speed does a traffic accident become murder? Michigan courts have answered that question. The answer may surprise you. The answer does not lie in the speedometer reading. It lies in a legal doctrine called implied malice, a concept that converts recklessness into criminal intent.
She's kind of pinned in here, though. I got her.
Are you the driver of this car here?
No, I'm not. I made the phone call, but she's the driver.
All right, where's the driver of this car here?
They were walking. They were standing over here.
Are you the driver of this car here? Okay. Yeah, she's in traffic. All right, we're gonna get you out of there, okay? Just stick with her for now. Okay? And I'm gonna wait for another get out.
All right. Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
Kanisha.
Kanisha?
I can tell you what happened.
Yeah, what happened?
So, it was a car turning from the opposite lane, oncoming traffic. The Charger was in not this lane, but the outer lane, passing through. Nothing was coming this way, so I was turning. This car hit that car, and then that car went straight into me.
So we have one here.
Yep.
We have one in there, and then one on the ground.
Correct.
Okay.
As well as I
One in this one.
I'm unsure. I didn't see.
I don't know. Something hit my knee. My seatbelt kind of flew off. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh.
All right.
You're okay.
Hey, ma'am. What's hurting you right now?
What direction were you going? You were turning right, and then yep.
We're gonna get a collar around your neck, okay? I don't mean anything wrong with you. We're just doing just in case.
All right. So my partner's just gonna wrap the collar around you. Okay?
Yes.
Just hang tight for me.
Yep. We're just gonna measure it on you.
It's gonna be a little snug, okay?
It might be a
It
little
might not be
uncomfortable.
straight, but we're gonna get it on there as best as we
was on there.
What was that vehicle going? Do you know?
Charger was going straight.
Okay. Straight towards the highway?
Yes.
Okay. And what was that car going?
Turning.
If you're in too much pain, we can get you out.
Yeah, I was like, we can get you out, but I don't want to force you. You're in great care. That's for sure.
Let's move.
Who was in this car?
I don't know. When I got here, no one was in there.
Male.
We need to clear a way for the ambulance, so let me get that for you.
One more? Any other patients?
That's it. We got one patient in there. She's taken care of. Yep, just go along, see who witnessed what, and we can go from there, okay?
This is going to be an all-day thing. Did you happen to see this accident, ladies?
No, we had just. Look, I had just pulled in here.
Yeah.
Just pulled in here, and I stayed like about 2 minutes back there and let my daughter look at came like that.
Yeah.
And it happened just like that.
Yeah, this will be a big deal. They'll be here all day. So if you want to get out and look to see if you want to drive over it. Anybody see this accident?
No.
You've got the information of the Hummer.
Yeah, so she was turning left out of here. Charger was going straight over here.
So she was here.
Yes, she was.
Turn left.
Oh, turning right. My bad.
Okay,
She was turning right.
Okay.
Yep.
And stadium where the Charger was doing what?
Charger was going.
Outbound.
Yep, outbound. So
And how did this car get involved in?
she was unsure.
She's in the bus stop.
Okay, she's sitting in that bus stop there.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Naira.
Naira?
Yes, ma'am.
Did an officer get any sort of insurance from the vehicle? Or
And I told him there's no insurance on the
no
vehicle.
insurance? Okay.
That's all honesty. I was driving, so I was driving this way, and they came out in front of my car, this car, not the H2, but this car here, they just turned out. I tried to switch lanes, but it was just too late. They were already in the middle of the road.
Gotcha. Okay.
And so I couldn't slow down. It was
You're okay. You're okay. I know.
And then we went towards the middle part. We slid, and this car got hit, and they were coming just going from that way, going that way.
So this car was just kind of like
Just driving
out
towards this way.
Yeah. Do you think this person was at fault, or
this person came out? I was already driving.
Yeah.
There was nothing I could do. I even tried to switch lanes.
It's okay.
Did you have to see this accident?
A little bit. It happened very, very, very
Sure.
fast.
What did you see?
I saw 3 cars just kind of boom, and one went airborne a bit.
Yep.
And I didn't see who was really.
Which car did you see? There's that black Jeep looking thing over there.
I saw 2 of them, the 2 black cars. But I know I saw 3, but I saw
Right.
2 go up. I think that's it.
Are you okay?
So fast.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Yeah, just shaking up.
I'm worried about my daughter.
Where is she at? Are you okay? What did you remember seeing?
I wasn't on the phone.
Okay. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm gonna, if you don't mind, I'm gonna take down your name and phone number, and maybe sometimes after things like this, after you settle down, you'll start remembering some things if you don't mind.
The light just turned. We're all driving. I sped up just a little bit.
Yeah.
Because I had just got from behind. I just got out of the way of another car, and I got in front of a car. And so that's when they came out. Too late. Nothing I could do about it. Oh man, I mean, I tried to slow down. I realized I didn't have enough time, so I tried to switch lanes, thinking maybe she would stop, but she was already out and she was already turning, you know, to turn this way.
Yeah. You were heading inbound, like towards, like. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And that person came out of the subs right over here.
I believe it was the subs, or it's just, I don't know, the subs or
either or. It was a driveway. Yeah.
Yes.
This car right here, this was just
driving.
Just driving?
They were just driving down the road, and they just so happened to be caught in the crossfire.
Gotcha.
Because I was in the midst of all of it. When I got into the accident, I was just a whole bunch of spinning and a whole lot of that. But I come to 2, I just opened the door, I hit the door, and I buried out of the car, and then I just started motioning, remembering, he just hit me.
Did that bus camera catch anything? Did you know?
I didn't hear anything. I just walked up.
I'm gonna check with the bus real quick. Are you the driver?
Yes, sir.
Did this camera pick that accident up?
No, you guys had already.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys already out.
Well, this is gonna be an all-day thing. If you guys wanna, you need help turning it around.
I am. Let me call my supervisor.
Okay.
Real quick.
First I thought slowing down.
Yeah.
That wasn't enough. They were already out. And I tried to switch lanes. This wasn't working. Nothing was working.
No.
Is they alive?
What's that?
Are they alive?
Well, they were alive when they left here. Okay.
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 We're bringing the stretcher closer to you.
We're gonna get it nice and close to you, honey.
Yeah.
What car were you in?
The Charger.
You were the only one in the Charger?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm having a hard. I can't put pressure on one of my legs. I can't do it. Thank you.
Yep.
Have you ride while she's on the phone? Maybe you can just pick up on what she said or anything.
Subaru was exiting out one of the driveway. Yep. And Hummer just got in the crossfire.
Oh, they got a dog with them.
Okay.
Do you guys know anything about the dog?
Yes. Can I have you go to the other parking lot across the street for me? All right.
Okay.
And then we'll talk about the dog. All right.
Okay.
Let me get you across.
Okay, thank you.
Are you by yourself?
No, I'm with.
Okay. Okay. That's the granddaughter of the deceased, and they're here to pick up the dog.
Where's the dog? Is the dog in the car?
No, he's outside.
Was in the car.
Was there.
Dog didn't make it. Where's the dog?
The dog is over there underneath the tarp. Should be. Yep. I don't know. Sister. Okay. You are who, ma'am?
I'm the grandma.
Your grandma, and you are?
Sister of the passenger.
Sister of the passenger. Okay. Grandma, what is your name?
Betty.
Betty, and you're?
Abby.
Abby. Okay. Right now, the dog cannot leave the scene. Okay. The dog did not make it. Okay. So the dog is part of the scene. I'll be calling you from that number when it's okay to come get the dog.
Okay.
All right. Yep.
My coworker inside had saw a part of what happened.
Okay.
I just wanted to come and let you know what he said.
Okay. Let me hold on. I'll have my officer come make contact with him.
Okay.
Do you have video?
I'm not sure if it caught anything on it, but it does catch a little bit of the road in the video.
Are you able to check your video?
I can call my boss really quick.
Perfect. All right, we'll go now. I'll send my officer in there to go talk to them, okay?
For sure.
All right.
You guys work here?
Right here, yeah, at Dyke too, we do. I heard some, this is just hearsay, but it was from this direction, correct? I heard something about a drag race.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
From who?
About that. Well, I don't know who it was. A guy was standing here, and he told me that the Charger was racing a Supra, and the Charger lost control. I don't know what direction any of those vehicles were traveling, but he told me a Charger and a Supra were drag racing from the light.
What's a Supra? Because I see 3 cars over there, and not one of them's a...
No, I'm saying that's the one that you got to go find yet.
How you going, guys?
Did we ask you for cameras yet?
Okay, perfect. All right, we'll see you before then tomorrow, okay? Oh boy, right there.
What happened there?
Yeah.
Pulled out, tried to go straight, and there's a car speeding.
Can you go back just a little?
Yep.
Can we record that again? Because I'm going to tell them that you guys got a good video and that you're requesting it, and that we'll bring a flash drive or something.
Yeah, if you bring a flash drive, we can just plug it in. It can get like small segments, but we don't need more than 30 seconds probably.
No, that'd be perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
This is the guy. He's waiting for a flash drive for lab or whoever. He's got the video.
Here.
Thank you.
We got a flash drive whenever you're.
Okay, guys. It lets me do 10-minute clips. So I did from 12:11 to 12:21.
Oh, that's perfect.
Just kind of have it in there.
That's perfect.
It says it's saved, so it should be on there.
Well, thanks again for your help, man.
No problem. Let me
Big
know
help.
if you guys need anything else.
Thank you. We got the video. Where do you want us? Where you want?
Hang on to it.
Yep.
Oh shit. Yep. What do you got?
In this case, a vehicle reached 97 miles per hour on a road posted at 45 miles per hour before impact. That single data point triggered a chain of legal consequences most drivers have never considered. Understanding why requires a close reading of 3 Michigan statutes and 2 landmark court decisions. What follows is not commentary, it is the law itself. Michigan Compiled Laws, Section 750. 317 defines second-degree murder as murder committed with malice aforethought. Punishment ranges from any term of years up to life imprisonment. People v. Goecke. 457, Mitch 442, Michigan Supreme Court, 1998. Established that malice aforethought does not require a specific intent to kill. It can be inferred from the defendant's conduct alone. Under Goecke, 2 elements must be satisfied. First, the defendant's conduct created a very high risk of death or great bodily harm. Second, the defendant was subjectively aware of that risk. The critical legal distinction is this: gross negligence produces civil liability. Wanton and willful disregard for foreseeable consequences produces criminal malice. Awareness of the risk is the dividing line. Michigan Compiled Laws, Section 257. 626 prohibits operating any motor vehicle in a speed contest or drag race on a public highway. Violation establishes prohibited willful conduct, not mere carelessness. Michigan Compiled Laws Section 257.626b makes reckless driving causing death a felony punishable by up to 15 years when charged alongside murder. It adds a consecutive sentencing layer. People v. Werner. 254 Mick App 528, Michigan Court of Appeals, 2003, applied the Goecke standard directly to a street racing homicide and affirmed the second-degree murder conviction. Werner remains the controlling authority Michigan prosecutors cite today. On the Fourth Amendment question, no search warrant was required. The business owner disclosed the surveillance footage voluntarily. Voluntary consent removes any constitutional barrier to admissibility. On Miranda v. Arizona, 384 US, 436, 1,966. The threshold is custodial interrogation. Voluntary statements made at a scene before any arrest carry no Miranda requirement and are fully admissible at trial. Michigan Rules of Evidence Rule 901 requires authentication of all digital evidence, including surveillance footage, before admission. Chain of custody begins the moment the recording is transferred to officers, not at trial. Key Lesson 1. Officers who immediately seek and secure surveillance footage through voluntary disclosure create an unimpeachable evidentiary record. No warrant means no suppression motion, no admissibility challenge. Key Lesson 2. Speed alone, when extreme and sustained, satisfies the subjective awareness prong of Goecke. A driver maintaining 97 miles per hour through active commercial traffic cannot credibly deny knowing the risk. Key Lesson 3. A drag race allegation does not need to be proven independently. It functions as corroborating evidence that elevates the theory from recklessness to willful prohibited conduct under MCL 257. 626. Key Lesson 4. Voluntary on-scene statements, made freely before any custody, become part of the trial record. Every word spoken at the scene can be used to test the defendant's account against physical evidence, but this case leaves critical questions unresolved. A witness reported a second vehicle, a Toyota Supra, was participating in the race. That vehicle was never located. What does Michigan law say about a participant who flees the scene? If a second driver was present and engaged in the race, under what theory does criminal liability attach? Aiding and abetting under MCL 767-39. Conspiracy. Joint venture. The record does not answer this. The law does. There is also the question of when voluntary statements at a scene conflict with surveillance evidence at trial, which carries more evidentiary weight. How do jurors evaluate that conflict under Michigan standard of proof? The sentence of 20 to 40 years raises a forward question. Michigan parole eligibility depends on factors that no body cam footage can capture. Under what legal standard will that decision one day be made? These are the questions that outlast any single verdict. A conviction closes a chapter. The legal questions it raises open the next one. Stay with us.